Hey guys, welcome back to The Real McCoys. My name is Jack McCoy, and today we are going to be doing a little behind the scenes of our new listing at 5705 Buffalo Springs Drive here in Frisco, Texas. So come on. So first things first, a lot of people ask, do you need a license to fly drones in the state of Texas or actually anywhere in the US? And yes, you do. So you actually have to pass an FAA test, and I passed with flying colors, no pun intended. But today we are going to be flying the Mavic 3 Pro and taking a video and some photography just to give you some good proximity of where the house is located, what's around it. And so let's go take a look. So now for one of my favorite videos where it's a slow motion sweep across the entire house. And that way you can see it from all the way from the left side of the house to the right side of the house. And it gives you, as a buyer, as a client, just a different perspective of what the video can do and what you can see. Another reason I do love the Mavic 3 Pro is it has about 8 sensors on it, 4 on the ground, or 4 on the belly, 4 on the top, and then I think there may be 2 other ones that it will actually stop me from hitting something. Now I can turn those off. I typically don't unless I'm in a weird situation, but for the most part, those have saved me quite a few times from running into trees, branches, and things that I may have missed. I can set it to a few different things that will automatically take the video, and so like on this one, I can set it for the front view and then it will lift off kind of at a 45-degree angle and take a video of everything. For the most part though, I'll fly it manually just to make sure that I'm getting the view that I want. But yes, there are different settings in the controller itself that allow different modes and different video settings that you can do. Shooting pretty far north, that way we can see where the PGA is at. So any golfers out there, this house is pretty close to the PGA. So if you're looking to buy a house and then get in and get over to the PGA, it's about a 10-minute drive over. Alrighty, so now we are about 1,000 feet east of the house, looking west. And with that, you can see everything. You can see Lake Louisville. You can see 121 kind of to the south of us. So any of you lake lovers out there that are looking to have some awesome trails, as well as getting on the lake pretty easy, this house is perfect for you. So I've gotten all the pictures I need to get. Now we're gonna be doing the videos for this property. We have a couple of videos that I like to do just to get, again, proximity, relation to different places. One goes about 300 feet up, goes all the way around the house, circles the house, and that one gives you kind of the best perspective of where you're at or where the house is at in relation to other places. And so I'll show you on this. The nice part about the Mavic 3 Pro that I thoroughly enjoy is you can set a pin. So for instance, on this, it's gonna be the house. Set a pin and then a point of interest, and then it'll actually circle around that exact point of interest. So currently have it going. So you can see that's taking the house and all the distance around it, as well as the landmarks around it. Pretty strong wind today, so it may take a little bit longer than it usually does if it's a calm day. Now, this drone itself will fly up to about 35 miles an hour. Now, I don't like flying it in those types of winds, but if need be and there's a house that absolutely needs it, we'll definitely take care of it. What's it take to be a drone pilot? So first you have to take a course. You can actually just go in and sit for the test if you do know what you're doing. But I took about a month-long course Can't remember the website, but I can get that for you and leave it in the comments below. And take the course, sign up for the test. I think the fee for the test is right around $100. And then once you take it and you pass, then at that point you're a certified drone pilot with, I believe there's continuing education on the drone piloting one time every 2 years. So it's either 2 or 3 years. So it's not too extensive. And if you actually have your private pilot's license, it's quite a bit easier to get a drone license itself, just because they coincide with a lot of the same information. Yeah, so some of the precautions I need to take really before I fly is there's a app called Lance that marks out everything in the general area that I'm going to be flying. So there's certain distances from airports, from stadiums, from college football games, stuff like that, that I have to take a look at before I'm actually flying to make sure that I'm not breaking any laws or flying in an unrestricted zone. Yeah, so some of the rules that I have to follow, I have an app called Lance that allows me to take a look where I'm going to be flying to make sure that I'm not flying in any restricted areas, i.e. anywhere close to an airport or like a college football game or any professional football games, anything like that, that it has a area where it's restricted of flying around it. So I take a look at that, make sure I'm good, and then at that point I'm able to fly unrestricted. You can go all the way around it, Dad, if you want. If you want to get like a full. Yeah, so on here, this is where the 8 sensors are. You got 2 in the back, 2 on the front, 2 up top, and then 2 on the bottom. With the Mavic 3 Pro, it's got some hardier propellers. I believe there's a piece of metal in the middle, and then it's gonna be plastic on the outside. And then this one has 3 different cameras on it. So I think it can zoom up to about 32x of where it's at, which gives a pretty good perspective if you're high up on different places, and you can zoom it in to see it from a different angle as well. So appreciate you flying with me today. If you want more real estate or drone related content, drop a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the skies.